Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura 8 espresso machine. Now for this machine, we did a little bit of work because we had to disassemble the entire thing and it was a bit hard to disassemble as this has a very unique feature on the back of the machine. You need to remove two little spouts in order to actually have access to the machine itself. But once we got there, we were able to see what was actually happening with the machine. Now, this machine was brought to us because it was struggling what it was doing, the initial turning on and turning off, and also the coffee cycles of the machine. And basically what we found is just this. We found a tablet, a cleaning tablet, right between the funnel. Let me see if I can show you. Right between the pre-grind funnel and the brew unit itself. So there's like a nice little tunnel over here that goes into the brew unit. And this is what we're seeing right here. And as you can see, that is a cleaning tablet. So it was completely blocking everything. And whenever you tried to use the grinder, it was just backing up all the way through here, going out through the funnel, going out to the pre-grind, and it was just creating a big mess in there. And you can see that big mess by just looking at these pictures. The coffee just went all over the brew unit. You can see all that mold over there, as well as all that coffee buildup inside of it and outside of it as well. So yeah, it was looking pretty bad in there. That's when we removed the brew unit as well. That's back of the machine right here. And yeah, it was really dirty. But we cleaned all that up, gave this machine a tune-up, serviced the brew unit, replaced the O-rings of it as well, descaled the machine, and also unclogged that pre-grind funnel that we saw. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the cappuccino side. Okay, so now starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. We do not have the hose of this Jura, so we're using the hose of another Jura that we have here. So hopefully we can get a good seal and we can siphon the milk coming out from here. As well, we're not using milk, we're using milk cleaner, but it's still gonna siphon the way milk should do. All right. So now that the machine is doing a cappuccino, it's heating up that thermal block that is located right here. Once it gets up to temperature, the water pump that is located around here will push water to the entire system, and as you can see, we'll see a nice steam coming out of the machine. That was way too little. Okay, we'll retest that in a bit. Right now it's just, that's all the milk that came out. Probably that's the way the cappuccino button is programmed. So we're gonna do a milk portion just to retest this side of the machine. Now it's gonna give 5 ounces. I'm going to cancel it before it gets there. Otherwise you're gonna overfill this cup. Okay, so now we can retest the frother by you doing a milk portion. There you go, milk foam. Again, the thermal block is heating up. Now that is ready, let's increase this to 10 seconds. So that way we can test it properly. And I'm gonna hold the hose over here to make a good seal. As you can see, definitely siphoning properly. And if I remove it, there you go, nice steam coming out of the machine, working great. And that's basically, yeah, that's how it works. So now we're gonna be testing the hot water function of the machine as well. Here you go. Steady stream coming out of the one, looking great. Excellent temperature as well. And I'm going to stop it because this only holds 3 ounces. And now just to test the machine, just to test only the spouts, we're gonna do an espresso shot. That should give us 1.5 ounces of liquid. Should be around here. Pre-infusion. And extraction. Steady stream coming out of the spout. Excellent color as well. Great quantity as well. So there you have it. Jura NA8 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.